Oh, hello. This video clip would complement the posting on November 20 and how to complete TSA charts and search the NOC-Career Handbook. I uploaded a PDF document explaining to you how to do the assignments that is due soon. In this document, I describe the step-to-step procedure to follow, but I'm going to review them with you here in this video clip. Okay, so the first thing is to get to the career handbook, and we'll do so. Copy the address here, and Google search, paste and go. And this is the National Occupational Classification Resources and Tools. You want the career handbook, and you click it, and then you go to advanced search. Now what we're doing is find out the occupational title of the job that the client did in his work history. So I use the search by keyword. Search by index title can be used as well, but I prefer this one because it gives me more options. So I know the client has worked as a swimming pool installer, and I write it here, and then I click the first four in this list, because it gives me an expanded list of occupations that I might choose the one that better reflects the job that the client did in the past. So I click search, and it gives me residential and commercial installers and services, and this is the NOC code, the NOC-Career Handbook code. So I click this, and I get the page where there is a description of the occupational title, example job titles, and here you see swimming pool installer. And then most important of all, I have the aptitudinal profile of this occupation, the interest profile, and the data people things profile. So as far as aptitude is concerned, there is a general learning ability of value 3, verbal aptitude value of 4, numerical aptitude value of 4, spatial aptitude level value of 3, form perception value of 3, Q clerical aptitude value of 4, motor coordination value of 3, finger dexterity value of 4, and manual dexterity value of 3. As you know, the 1 is the highest 10% of the work population, and 5 is the lowest 10% of the working population. So 5 is low, 1 is high, 3 is average, and 2 is above average, 4 is below average. In terms of interest, this particular occupation 7441 has an interest factor, interest code of objective, methodological, innovative, and you obtain this through the CWPI, and these are the 5 codes or the interest factors. In terms of data people things, we have 6884. 6 is for data, 8 is for people, 4 is for things. And so for in terms of data information, the client is 6 comparing, and in terms of people, not significant, 8, and in terms of things, it's a 4, operating and manipulating. In terms of DPT, 0 is high and 8 is low. And it is said if a client is at say analyzing, it is understood they could do compiling, computing, copying, and comparing. Okay. So the higher you go, the more extensive is the skill level. You know? And it implies that the one below it are so within his skill set or potential skill set. This is as far as the DPT. Let's do another one so that you're clear about it. So again, advanced search and search by keyword. The client also told me that in his work history that he was working as a forklift operator. Forklift operator. So I type forklift operator, and again I check here the first 4, and I click search, and the job title, occupational title, is material handler, equipment operators, 7452.2. That's the National Occupational Classification Career Handbook code. I click on the title and I get the profile summary, the aptitude, interest, and the other people thing. This information that you have here, it's used for the rest of the jobs in the work history to complete the TSA chart. The TSA chart is this one. So I have installer, that's the swimming pool job, material handler, roofer, and appliance repairs. These are the other 2 jobs in the work history. And I write the code, I write the aptitude profile value, the DPT value, and the interest factors. Okay. And then I derive a composite transferable skill profile, and the best of is the best of aptitude. So I choose the highest value here for each column. So the highest value for G is 3. The highest value for V is 3. The highest value for N is 3. So I choose the highest value. This one does not have, it's all 4, so I keep it to 4. And this one, the highest value is 3. Okay. So the best of aptitudes transferable skill profile will be this one, 333, 334, 333. And for DPT, I do the same thing. The lowest is the highest, so the best would be 3. The highest is 6 here, and this remains the same, the 4. Okay. So for DPT is 364. The OMD here, I get it from the CWPI result from the test. Okay. So this is the transferable skill profile that could be used to generate potentially suitable occupation based on demonstrated aptitudes, DPT, and interest, tested interest. So this is straightforward. You put the level that you have here for each aptitude, and qualitative, you can say that 3 is average, 4 is below average, and so on. Okay. Transferable DPT, just highlight which one the client has demonstrated, and place an X beside it. And again, you can put an X beside the interest factors that have been given to the client through the results of the CWPI. And the strength has to do with ability to do physical work. So limited the sedentary, light, medium, heavy, expressed in terms of lifting ability or handling loads. So next is how to generate a list of potential suitable occupation using the transferable skill profile that we have obtained. To do that, we need to go back to the advanced search, and this time around we use descriptor scale ratings, and the first one is aptitudes, and we have the list of aptitudes where we can enter the value that we obtain. So we have everything is 3 except clerical, which is 4. So we place 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 4 here, 3 here, and 3, and as well as 3 here. This is the second column, and we want to give a range so that we can have an expanded more options in our scanning of the database, and we enter the value that is just below the one that we have on the first column. So if this is 3, the one just below it is 4. Again, it's a 4 year, 4 year, 4 year, 4 as well. This is a 4, and we don't want to put a 5 because it's gonna restrict the search. So we'll keep it a 4. So every time you have a 4 in the second column, put a 4. Do not enter 5. So this will be a 4. This will be a 4, and this will be a 4. So we scroll down, and we'll press search, and we obtain 259 occupation that have the potential to be suitable for the client based on the aptitudinal profile demonstrated through the work history. So we can discuss some of them with the client in terms of what I will take in order to qualify for this occupation. So this is how you generate occupations in the career handbook based on the transferable skill analysis. I thank you very much for your time, and do visit my blog so that you have the latest uploads in order to do your assignment. See you later. Bye.